आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट 1 ऑफ BHU MSc ज़ूलॉजी इंट्रांस पेपर 2014। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरी तवज्जो के साथ देखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रोटोजोआ इज़ क्लासिफाइड इनटू राइजोपोडा, माइसिटोजोआ एंड मैस्टिगोफोरा, स्पोरोजोआ एंड सीलियोफोरा on the basis of nutrition, locomotory structure, nucleus, reproduction. So correct answer is option 2. Phylum Protozoa is classified into different groups on the basis of locomotory structures. Question number 2. Which one of the following polymorphic form of trypanosoma lacks a free flagellum? Leishmanial, leptomonad, crithridial or trypanosome? So correct answer is option 1. Leishmanial is the polymorphic form of trypanosoma that lacks a free flagellum. Question number 3. Chagas disease is caused by Trypanosoma gambens, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma rhodescens and Trypanosoma brucis. So correct answer is option 2. Chagas disease is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi. Question number 4. Choanocytes line the spongiocole in asconite type, cyconite type, leuconite type, dragon type. So correct answer is option 1. Choanocytes line the spongiocole cavity in case of asconite type of canal system. Question number 5. The polypoid phase in the development of Aurelia is represented by Ephyra, Planula, Hydra tuba, Gastrula. So correct answer is option C. The polypoid phase in the development of Aurelia, which belongs to class Scyphozoa, is represented by Hydra tuba. It is also known as Scaphistoma. जबकि इफायरा जो है वो इमेच्योर मेडूसी स्टेज होती है ओरेलिया के डेवलपमेंट के अंदर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. An example of stony coral is Tubipora, Gorgonia, Astrea, Alcyonium. So correct answer is option 3. एस्ट्रिया जो है वो स्टोनी कोरल की एग्जाम्पल है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. द लासो सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन पोरीफेरॉन्स, नाइडेरियन, टीनोफोर्स, मोलस्क. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3. Lasso cells are also known as coloblast cells and they are the characteristic cells of phylum Ctenophora. Question number 8. The infectious stage in the life cycle of Fissiola hepatica is sporocyst, radia, cercaria, metacercaria. So correct answer is option 4. Metacercaria is the infectious stage in the life history of Fissiola hepatica. Question number 9. The cysticircus stage in the development of Tinea solium is generally found in intermediate host gut, intermediate host blood, intermediate host muscle or soil. So correct answer is option 3. The cysticircus stage in the development of Tinea solium is intermediate host in case of muscles. Question number 10. Which phylum is represented by only marine animals? Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. So correct answer is option 4. Echinodermata animals are exclusively marine animal. Question number 11. Which of the following is a pseudocoelomate? Earthworm, apple snail, starfish, roundworm. So correct answer is option 4. Roundworms or pseudocoelomate belongs to phylum Aschelminthes. Question number 12. Amoebic hepatitis is caused by Amoeba proteus, int Amoeba gingavilis, int Amoeba histolytica, int Amoeba coli. So correct answer is option 3. Amoebic hepatitis and amoebic dysentery both are caused by इंट अमेबा हिस्टोलिटिका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. इन साइकोन द जर्म सेल्स आर ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम आर्कियोसाइट्स, ट्रोफोसाइट्स, पिनेकोसाइट्स, phagocytes. So correct answer is option 1. Archaeocytes are the precursor of germ cells in case of cycon. Question number 14. The second largest invertebrate phylum is Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Echinodermata. So correct answer is option 3. कि सबसे लार्जेस्ट फाइलम जो है इन्वर्टिब्रेट फाइलम वो आर्थ्रोपोडा है और सेकंड लार्जेस्ट मोलस्का है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. The radiolar formula of marginal, lateral, and residuan teeth in pila is 2112. So, correct answer is option 1. Question number 16. The typical larva of mollusk is Veliger, Nauplius larva, Mullerian larva, Tornaria larva. So, correct answer is option 1. Veliger larva is a typical larva of phylum Mollusca. Question number 17. The dorsal lobe of parapodium of Nereis is called as neuropodium, notopodium, aciculum, or cirrus. So, correct answer is option 2. Notopodium is the dorsal lobe of parapodium of Nereis, while the ventral lobe is known as neuropodium. Question number 18. From the given alternatives, make out the character that is not true of Heteronereis. तो Heteronereis में all parapodia are alike, sexually mature, body is differentiated into atoke and epitoke, पैरापोडियल सिटी आर ओर शेप्ड. सो इसमें जो स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है वो है ऑप्शन 1, क्योंकि हेट्रोनेरिस के अंदर जितने भी पैरापोडिया होती हैं वो साइज में डिफरेंट होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. इन पैलियोमोन द स्टेटोसिस्ट इज लोकेटेड इन एंटीना, एंटिन्यूल, फर्स्ट मैक्सिला, सेकेंड मैक्सिला. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2. In Paleomon, the stetocyst, which is an organ of balance, it is located in the antenule structure. Question number 20. In Paleominus, the respiratory pigment is hemoglobin, lacking pigment, or hemocyanin, hemochlorin. So, correct answer is option C. Hemocyanin is a blue-colored pigment present in the Paleominus. Question number 21. The respiratory organ of scorpion is 3 pair of book lungs, 5 pair of book lungs, 6 pair of book lungs, 4 pair of book lungs. So, correct answer is option 4. The respiratory organ of scorpion is 4 pair of book lungs. Scorpions belongs to class Arachnida. Question number 22. Given are some character of peripatus. Choose the one which is not arthropodan. Segmentally arranged nephridia, presence of hemocole, chitinous cuticle, presence of trachea. तो इसमें जो करेक्टर आर्थ्रोपोडैन का नहीं है वो है ऑप्शन 1. सेगमेंटली अरेंज्ड नेफ्रीडिया आर एब्सेंट इन आर्थ्रोपोड, दे आर रेदर प्रेजेंट इन फाइलम एनालिडा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Limulus is more closely related to crustacean, trilobites, chordates, arachnids. So correct answer is option 4. Limulus, which is commonly known as horseshoe crabs, they are more closely related to arachnids. Question number 24. Brachyolaria larva is developed from auricularia larva, bipinaria larva, diplura larva, or cystidian larva. So correct answer is option 2. Brachyolaria larva is developed from the bipinaria larva, and both these larvas belong to phylum Echinodermata. Question number 25. In Astrias, the stone canal communication between exterior and circumoral ring canal, body cavity and circumoral ring canal, or exterior and one of the radial canal, or body cavity and one of the radial canal. So correct answer is option 3. Stone canal communicates between exterior and one of the radial canal in starfish. Question number 26. Chitin belongs to gastropoda, amphineura, cephalopoda, scaphopoda. So correct answer is option 2. Chitin belongs to subclass Polyplacophora, which is present in class Amphineura of phylum Mollusca. Question number 27. Saculina is a parasitic on fish, lobsters, prawn, crabs. So correct answer is option 4. Saculina is parasitic on crabs. Question number 28. The shipworm is Ostrea, Teredo, Pecten, Nautilus. So correct answer is option 2. Teredo is the scientific name of shipworms, and it is belong to phylum Mollusca. Question number 29. Dengue fever is transmitted by Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, Tsetse fly. So correct answer is option 3. Dengue fever is transmitted by Aedes, a mosquito. In addition to dengue fever, yellow fever and chikungunya is also transmitted by Aedes mosquito, while the malaria is caused by Anopheles mosquito and avian malaria is caused by Culex mosquito and trypanosomiasis is caused by sissy fly. Question number 30. In bivalve mollusk, the periostracum is formed of calcium carbonate conchylion, calcium carbonate or and conchylion, magnesium carbonate. So correct answer is option 2. In bivalve mollusk, the periostracum layer is formed of conchylion protein. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, अल्लाह हाफिज़।